In today's video, I'm going to show you how I painted this colourful chicken in acrylic paints. This is a sped up version, but if you'd like to follow along step by step in real time, the full-length tutorial is available over on my Patreon. We're starting off with a plain green background, just a flat layer which will help to make the chicken stand out on the canvas. Once that's dry, we can start blocking in the colours. To start painting the chicken, we can use loose brushstrokes to mark out the shadows, midtones and highlights across the feathered part of the face. This helps to establish the shape and form and gives us a map for where the feathers will go later on. We will add the feather texture in the next step, so at this stage we can just focus on getting the colours and values right. Now we can start to build up the feather texture using the same colours as before, but this time moving back and forth with the brush to create soft layered strokes. Use the first layer as a guide and use a range of dark, mid and light shades of paint to create depth. This part is so much fun, just remember to keep your brush moving in the direction that the feathers naturally fall. If you join us over on Patreon for the full-length tutorial, you can download the reference photo that I'm working from so that you can see exactly where the feathers fall. You will also get access to all of my other full-length art tutorials. Next, we can switch to a smaller pointed paintbrush to paint the eyes. Using a smaller brush allows us to add more detail, and I always think that we want the most detail in the eyes. I loved painting the eyes in this painting. The expression on the chicken's face is so cute and it gives it so much personality. The eyes were the only part of the painting where I used pure black paint, which helps to make them stand out. Adding a little highlight makes the eyes really come to life, and it's always my favourite part of an animal painting. Now it's time to block in the red parts of the chicken's head. We can start by blocking in the colours using a dark red for the shadow and a lighter peach for the highlights. Once the base colour is down, we can use small dabs of darker and lighter red paint to create the bobbly texture of the comb. I think this is my favourite part of this painting, as it's when the whole piece comes together and the chicken really comes to life. Repeat this same technique on all of the red sections of the chicken's face. Finally, let's finish off the piece by painting the beak using a mix of yellows and browns. Don't forget to add a bright highlight right on the tip. This helps to bring it forward and makes the whole painting look more three-dimensional. And that's it! If you'd like to paint this chicken with me in real time, brushstroke by brushstroke, you can find the full-length tutorial on my Patreon, along with lots more painting lessons, tips and exclusive content. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and let me know what you'd like me to paint next.